I shared this video with you 2 days ago, how to earn $106 in a day, and we had tested it out. Now, it's even got crazier since then. So yesterday, I shared over in my private Facebook group that you can see on here, you can see this was 16 hours ago. We have earned over $1,000 in earnings from this method that anybody can do, depending upon your location. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to break it down for you. If you watch till the end, I'll give you access to the case study completely for free. But here's the crazy thing about this. Okay, we've earned £976 in commissions. Okay, now I know most of you watching this like to know numbers in dollars, so we have earned $1,196 and 44 cents since this program started, since this case study started. Now, with this case study, we literally started from complete scratch. It was less than a month ago when we started, okay? So I'll share with you the method, the videos, the case, everything in this video, okay? So let's dive in. Hello and welcome to today's video. Before we start, if you want resources for making money online, earning online, just go over to the website on here. We've got lots of stuff on here for you. Case studies, resources, reviews, etc. Okay, so let's dive into today's video, and honestly it's unreal. Okay, so what is this method? Okay, well, first of all, let me share with you what the method is, and then we'll look at where it's available. Okay, so essentially this whole method is basic affiliate marketing. That is it. Okay, we recommend and share a product. If somebody buys that product, we earn a commission. Here's a caveat: you don't need a website, you don't need to be on camera, you don't need to speak, you don't need to spend a lot of time on this. It's incredibly easy. Okay, now if you don't know, over on TikTok, in fact I'll give you an example. Over on TikTok you can see videos like this. Okay, if somebody buys that product after watching this video, I'll show you an example of it in a second, then you earn an affiliate commission. Okay, and there's lots of these on here, so let me show you one. Okay, like see this one here. Let me click on here. I'm gonna have to be really quick because I don't want the music coming on. Ready, steady, let's go. Hopefully that worked out. YouTube won't tell me off for that. But basically, this video over here, TikTok has created for me using the feature within, okay? And it literally just is a case of in the TikTok shop, there's thousands of products, and you select a product and you click on create video, and the app does it all for you. And again, we cover all of this inside of the case study, okay? But this whole video was done, and it's that simple. And then what happens is when somebody buys the product from the video, we earn an affiliate commission. Now, you can't see it. You can't see it on here for some reason. Maybe it's because I'm on the desktop version. But on the actual app, down here in the bottom right-hand corner, it will say, get it here, buy now. And there's an actual link on here, okay? Let me see if I can see if it's on a different one. But that video has had 10,000 views. This one, again, look at it. TikTok created it, 8,000 views, 3,400 views. Now, don't get me wrong, not all of these videos take off, but considering I'm not in them, I'm not talking in these ones here when we first started the case study, it's unbelievable, okay? And it's just so simple. Now, if I come back over here, this is over on the TikTok shop platform, okay? You can see here, promote brands that are relevant to your followers, etc. You can go through here and look, it says here, easily find products to sell. It's incredibly easy. You open up the app, you press on the TikTok shop, it shows you thousands of products. Recommend products in videos and live streams, like what I've just shown you over here. And then get paid commission on your sales. So if somebody watches the video and buys the product, okay? Sounds awesome. Now here's the downside to some of you. This is currently only available in a number of countries, and believe me, I've done a lot of research on this. I've gone through all of the information from TikTok, I've read articles, I've watched YouTube videos. And what I do know from all of this now, from going through and reading all of these articles, is if I come up here, is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Blimey. Is it this one over here? Here we go, okay? So this is the list of countries where it's in, and then I'll share with you where it's going to be launching soon, okay? So currently it is available in the UK. It's available in Turkey, Thailand, Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia, Italy, Indonesia, China, Vietnam. It also rolled out to, well, this one, US. It rolled out to the US earlier on this year. I think it was around July time, okay? So it's available in the UK, the US, Turkey, Italy, and the other countries we've mentioned. Now, here's the thing. They're also looking to open up in 12 other countries. Now, if I scroll down here, this is the list of countries it's looking to expand into, okay? France, Italy, Spain, as well as Australia, New Zealand, and Brazil. When is it going to launch in those countries? I don't know. I don't work for TikTok. I have no idea. But that is the plan of what TikTok is planning, where they're planning to expand to, okay? So if you are in those countries, then you can go ahead and get started with this method. And I highly encourage you to do so because it's just mind-blowing. The fact that, over here, sorry, let me close that. The fact that we've earned this amount of money, and you can see on here, look, 3 weeks and 4 days into the affiliate case study, and we have now passed $1,000. And something else, okay, I did a video on this the other day, and someone went, this is fake. Well, it's not because, well, it's just not. But I'll show you this as well. Inside of here, inside of the university, this is closed by the way, the whole university is closed, but we've made the case study, the TikTok affiliate case study, we've made this free. But inside of here, you can see the starting point. We cover how to get followers, how to get into the TikTok shop affiliate program. We cover the marketplace. We show you how to get TikTok to make the videos. On by day 2, we're then our first commission. Day 2, from scratch. With no skills, no experience, not on camera, not speaking, we earn our first commission. We also got some free products. I've got ridiculous amounts of toilet roll over in the landing cupboard, okay? And then again, this is all free inside of history, walking you through all of this, showing you the numbers, etc. Okay, it's not fake. No part of this is fake. I'm getting results. People in the Facebook group are also getting results. Okay, but this is the method. Okay? Join the TikTok affiliate program if it's available in our country. Once we have got access to that, then we can go into the app, and on our phones we can apply to products. We can put links to them down below, and lots more. It's just an unbelievable method, okay? I've been doing affiliate marketing for many years, okay? And I've never seen one this simple, okay? I really haven't. Now, over here in the TikTok shop, I want to see if it'll show you this. So you see here where it says showcase. If I click on there, it won't show. So this is over my Not Taught School account. In here, basically, anything I add in my showcase would go down here. And I can see in a snapshot the price of the product, the actual product, how many they've currently got in stock, and whether this is live on TikTok, okay? So you can edit this, you can hide it, but basically, in fact, I wonder if I can show you on here. Let me go on to here and scroll up. No, what? The desktop version's a bit terrible, to be honest with you, but inside of the app, in fact, I'll show you on here actually. Let's go over here and I'll show you this, okay? So if I come on here, and we'll scroll down, come further down the page here. Let me open this up and show. So you see here, when you're in TikTok, this over here is the TikTok shop. So you click on that, it will open up the TikTok shop, and then you get access to everything inside of here. So you can then go inside of here, you can add products in here, you can see your data up here for the day, so how much sales you've had, how many people have bought items, the total number of orders created. You can break it down further so you can see your revenue, your commission, which videos are bringing you in the traffic, and lots more. It's awesome. It really is awesome. They've also got a top 100 creators thing, and then it also breaks it down further for you so you can see the item which is being sold and basically how much money you're going to make from it, okay? It's just great. So look, if you want access to this case study for free, just comment case study down below. I will send it over to you, and then you can go through this yourself and literally get this whole method up and running and take action with it, because honestly, you will not find a simpler and an easier way of making money online. So yeah, look, if you do have any questions about this, then comment down below. If you are doing this method, let me know as well. You know, what's it been like for you? What's your experience with this? How have you found it? I mean, I'm genuinely blown away the fact that within a month, less than a month, we've earned over $1,000 from this. It's ludicrous. It really is. So yeah, look, take care, and I'll see you soon.